Welcome back, puppies. Barking Dog Studio presents Two Giants or Better, Part 1. And this first part is the unboxing here from RBJ Game Company. It was a Kickstarter. I got two giants. Here we go. I'm opening it up for the first time. Go back some tape, pull it open. And here we have a couple of cards from RBJ Game Company. RBJ Game Company. A little thank you there. The inside of the box. That's kind of cute. Got a couple of cards there, I guess, advertising some other products they have. Star Troopers. Here we go for the actual parts. This is a Kickstarter. I think if memory serves, I pledged $150. I think later in one of the videos I say like 50 bucks, but actually I pledged 150. And I got two giants. They're essentially the same body, but I got a whole bunch of different accessories that came with them as part of that pledge level. I say accessories, I got a bunch of modular parts, would be a better way to explain it. I got different hands, different weapons, different heads. And those are some bonus items. Green flaming skull. And there's the two bases. These are the extra pieces. Actually, let me talk about these for a minute. Show him. Pitting. And this head was my favorite, one of the ones I was really wanting to use. Big chunk missing out of his ear. I might still use him. I go back and forth about it. There might be some background noise in this part of the video, because I think I'm going to try to use the audio that I'm recording with this rather than overdub. So I figured out these are all the extra pieces. They're optional. I could have used them, but decided I didn't want to. Just kind of showing the quality. There's some flashing right there. Seam line. Seam lines are pretty drastic, pretty obvious. On the shoulder there, where there's gates, and there was some gas or bubbling, and there was a dog barking in the background there. Whoa! I almost dropped that. Again, mold lines, really obvious. Now, one of the advantages of this plastic is that it does file down real easy. And again, we have some flashing as well as some bubbling. Mold line. Some bubbling. And you can't see any of that. Let's start over again here. Showing you this is one of the weapon options. Got that big piece in it there. Seam line or mold lines, real obvious. Flashing right there. Go ahead and cut away the part that I'm talking about so you can see. It was already broken at one end. Nope. And now I just broke the whole thing. Here was the chain, and there was that piece in the middle that wasn't supposed to be there. I already decided I wasn't going to use this because this was already stressed. I didn't really expect it to break off though. Plastic's kind of brittle, but it's soft and cleans up easy. This arm right here would not fit on the abdomen. There's the abdomen. This is supposed to be a right arm, and it will not fit. Closest I could get was if I put it like this, like he was doing something over his head, getting ready to throw something, and then it just doesn't fit. I don't know how well you can see that, but it just doesn't fit anywhere. I have to trim that down considerably. And I don't know. Yeah, it still doesn't fit. Doesn't fit in any position. That's kind of a bummer. Looks like it's supposed to fit like that, but this part here won't let it. This area right here just won't fit in, so decided not to use that one. I really like this head. It's my favorite one. I think I mentioned that earlier, but I don't know if you saw what I was talking about. The ear he came that way. I got it. It was already broke off. So I can still use it. Just say that's like battle damage. Like you got it cut off. Maybe even paint an additional scar on there. Again, mold line's real obvious. That'll clean up. Then there's this piece in here that's not supposed to be there. It's just extra plastic right here. It's not part of his mustache. It's not part of his mouth or his lip. I think that was a deciding factor why I decided not going with the head. Because I could work around the ear. It was dealing with that. And well, this head's interesting with the boat for the hat. The boat's not to scale to like a 28-30 millimeter mini. It's not even really like a good halfling size boat. It's just I don't know. This head I really like too, but excuse me, it was going to need a lot of cleanup work, which I'm not opposed to doing, but then there's a lot of gaps to fill in. Or not gaps, but those little bubbles. It's real porous right in here. And then just this wide, flat back of his mouth. I don't know. I may still use that one. Because I do have, if I can find it for you here, I do have this stuff right here that I haven't used yet, but that's why I picked this stuff up. I picked this stuff up before I got this Kickstarter. I've had this for a while, I just haven't used it yet. But this is actually meant for filling in the seam lines and bubbles from gassing, or not bubble, yeah, when it doesn't get degassed good or whatever, there's bubbles like on this. It should help smooth some of that out. Again, I'm not sure yet. There's the one that was slightly bent more. This one, wasn't it? Yeah, this one. Cyclops head. I'm going to use the Cyclops head, or I'm going to use his head. It really depends on how much I can clean this up. I just use I just really don't like the pirate head.